Hello, nice to see you again. Today we are going to have a little chat in English, especially for those who wants to learn English. Um, I'm sure you can learn and follow me, and try to understand or try to um, look up as to what the meaning of what I'm saying, and that itself I think it's very important. Um, Today I'm doing a little bit of gardening. I'm trying to grow some vegetables in the backyard here. Let me show you. That's my hand gloves. Okay, this is gloves. Hand gloves because there are two of them. So I say gloves. Gloves itu sarung tangan. Sementara my dog is very loyal being with me after playing a little bit, and then he's very happy to work with me. And yeah, so gardening day today because I happen to not work today, and it's time to grow because this is springtime. It's time to grow some vegetables. So I'm gonna grow some potatoes, I'm gonna grow some bean, and maybe cucumber. Okay, hari ini saya akan coba untuk menanam potatoes, kentang, bean, kacang, mungkin kacang panjang, sejenis kacang lah. Okay, a kind of bean. I don't know what it is, what's going to be. Kacang buncis maybe. Kacang buncis itu green bean. Mungkin cucumber, mentimun, and maybe something else. I'm not sure what I'm going to get. And let me show you some groundwork that I have done today. Look at this. This is groundwork. So look at my boots here. My working boots. Looking good, huh? And this is some rhubarb here. Rhubarb itu aku nggak tahu bahasa Indonesianya apa. Mungkin di Indonesia yang rhubarb ini juga disebut rhubarb di sana. Kalau di sini alat-alatnya kayak gini guys, pakai scope, ya scope, shovel, and there's another shovel, and there's a little hole, cangkulnya kayak gini guys. Ini nggak mantap nih ya. Dan tempat duduk, okay. That's very much what it is today. And so hoe is cangkul, HOE. Jadi hoe itu cangkul. So yeah, but I'm taking it easy today. I'm just doing, it's a lazy day today. So I just have to do some groundwork first, and then maybe tomorrow. Most of the time we start planting first week of June, because if we plant, kalau kita menanam before June, sometimes the weather still, the air still freeze at night. Sometimes freeze itu beku guys. Kalau kita menanam mentimun, pohonnya itu beku. Jadi kalau udah beku, biasanya mati dia. 2 tahun yang lalu, 2 years ago, I planted on the 26th of May, and right after I planted it, and then at night it froze, and then the air was very cold, like minus 2, minus 1, something like that. Begitu minus 1, minus 2, pohonnya itu nggak mati, tapi tidak bisa bagus lagi gitu loh. So the plant become frozen, but the next day it comes back. It comes back, but even when it came back, it didn't do very well for the rest of the planting season. So so I took that as a good lesson. Experience is the best teacher. Practice from time to time, and then you learn, and you got to understand what's going on and how to do the planting here. And that's very much my day look like today. So other than that, maybe I will be doing some grass cutting, lawn mowing. Lawn mowing itu artinya pekarangan. Mow artinya membabat dengan mesin, guys. Mowing the lawn artinya membabat pekarangan. Lawn mowing. Okay. Then we use also lawn mower. Lawn mower itu adalah mesin yang digunakan untuk membabat, mesin babat, lawn mower. So yeah, that's very much what it is today. If you have any activity that you might want me to cover in English, please leave comment, and I'll do my best to get some resources so that I can present it to you. So you, in this case, just in case, if you all of a sudden get a job with, or whatever, maybe somewhere abroad, or maybe you have a boss that is only English speaking or unable to speak Bahasa Indonesia, then you can also communicate with them. Sometimes it's not about what you know, right? But who you know. Sometimes you know everything, you know a lot of stuff, but you don't know how to communicate. It makes you look not very smart because you have to say it in English sometimes. Kadang-kadang kasihan kita ngelihat orang yang sudah punya pendidikan tinggi tapi nggak bisa berbahasa Inggris. Akhirnya dia nggak bisa mendapatkan job gitu loh. Jobnya itu maybe related to maybe something to do with you gotta speak English. I hope this is useful for you, and then if you have any activity or something that you might want to know about English, just leave it in the comment and then we will work on it. I wish you the best in doing what you love doing. Alright, I'll see you next time. Salam sehat.